You can't attract the right clients if your message is unclear. And honestly, most experts think that they have a clarity, but really what they have is noise. And the crazy part is that the more you try to fix it, the messier it actually gets. Look, you're starting to show up, you're posting, maybe even you're running ads, but your message still feels off. You're not 100% sure how to explain what you actually do without over explaining it. Or at worst, you sound like every other expert in your space. And if you're confused, imagine how your audience feels. That's why stage one in the visibility effect is all about one thing: clarity. Because if you don't have that locked in, everything else becomes way harder than it needs to be. I had a client, super smart, booked out, she's charging high ticket, but she hit a wall. Her content was polished, her systems were tight, but her messaging was muddled. She thought she had a visibility problem, but reality, she had a clarity problem. Once we tightened up her message, leads doubled and conversions jumped. Not because she posted more or she ran more money to ads, but because people finally got it. When I say clarity sells and confusion scrolls, that's every time. So let's kind of break down clarity, where it lives in three places: the audience, your offer, and your messaging. Let's hit on one of them right now. Your audience. Who are you really trying to reach? And not just a job title, not just a demographic, but what are they actually searching for? And here's an example. So a client of mine once came to me and said she helps female entrepreneurs. But when we took a deep dive closer, what we discovered is that she actually helps first-time course creators who get overwhelmed with tech. That's a total different message, total different connection. Once we spoke to that, her DM started to light up, which leads me into our second point: offering positioning. What are you actually selling? Your clients aren't buying a program, they're buying a result. One client told me they help people gain confidence. Well, that's cool. But what their people really wanted was to stop choking on sales calls. So what we had to do is reposition their offer to saying, helping service pros without sounding salesy. Now, it was simple, clear, powerful, and it helped convert it. Now, which leads me into three: message pillars. Your message pillars are the belief brands stand on. They shape every post, every offer, every story you tell. Here are mine: alignment over algorithm, message before marketing, and my favorite, your brand should feel like home. When your content is rooted in beliefs, you stop blending in. You start becoming recognizable. When all three are lined up, your audience, your offer, and your message, you stop chasing attention. You start resonating. Let's do a quick gut check on this for a moment. I want you to go look at your IG, bios, your LinkedIn headlines, all your home pages, and in 10 seconds or less, can someone answer who you help, what you help them do, and why does it matter to them? If not, it's not a marketing issue. It's not a lead issue. It is a clarity issue. If this helps you spot some gaps or made you wonder where in your business you're falling stuck, I want you to check out the visibility audit. It is completely free and it takes about 4 minutes and shows you exactly where the breakdown is in your business and your brand visibility and what to focus on next. No guesswork, just clarity. And if you find that the clarity isn't your issue, don't worry. The audit is going to reveal and help you figure out what's next. And so in my next video, I want you guys to check out how to build emotional trust with your audience. We're going to dive into how to stop chasing and start connecting. And if you want help now, and you can join our visibility think tank, is where we review real brand content, offers, bios, even funnels, and clean up the stuff that is costing you conversion. No pressure, just options. Because the truth is, you don't need more tactics. You just need a message that feels like home. And it starts with clarity.